Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this soup, egusi. We have to make egusi, and this is the chicken we're going to be using. It's called Guinea Fowl. So these are the Guinea Fowl. I will also show where I killed the Guinea Fowl and everything. So watch out and see how I'm going to make this soup. Right away, I'm going to add the garlic and the onions chopped. And I will be adding seasoning. This is seasoning cube, and I will also be adding salt. 1 tablespoon of salt. So right now I will add water. This is it, and we're just going to cover it up and let it cook for 40 minutes. So the Guinea fowl is very well cooked now, so we just have to start the cooking of the soup. So we are starting now. So this is the hot pan. We're just going to add oil to the pan, and we're going to add this egusi ground with pepper and fish. So this is it. So right now this is the egusi frying. So I have to start adding every other stuff to it. This is Maggi cube. Just gonna add 2 Maggi cube to it. So you see how it looks now. This is how it will look before we start having every other thing. So it's very well cooked now. So right now we're just gonna add all this cooked Guinea fowl to it. These are all the cooked Guinea fowl. We're just going to add them to it. See? So this is one of the soup you really enjoy to eat. So right now we're just going to add a little bit of water. This is it. And the next thing we're going to check if there is salt enough, and everything is perfect. Now we're just going to add bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf. Just going to add it. I'm going to add a lot of bitter leaf so that it will cover it up. I love to eat my egusi with much bitter leaf, a lot, so that I will have the feeling of bitter leaf in it. So this is it. Right now I'm just going to turn it together and let it cook for at least a few minutes. So this is one of the perfect egusi soup you will eat. Try it out with this Guinea fowl. So now we just let it cook for some few minutes. Please, if you are new on my channel, you are very welcome, and all my subscribers, thank you all. And let's see how this cooking will come in. So this is the egusi. It's ready, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. So this is it. Then we're going to serve this egusi out. It's made with a whole lot of bitter leaf and made with Guinea fowl. So this is one of the tastiest egusi soup you will love to eat. This is yummy, guys.